can't say you talk about 11 and I was always better. Ah, Jelly, and we'll be able to. Now, fight in the country.
Hi guys, welcome back. Asher and Gad channel, making Africa home again, one family at a time. So it's another exciting day on site, isn't it, Chris?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. So the long overdue, absolute long overdue roof glass is being installed today. And if you've been following our channel, you know that there's a big hole in the middle because we love a lot of natural light, don't we, Chris?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Our plan was always to have a lot of natural light in the house. So we have an atrium, and on top of that atrium, we have this structural glass members, so that you can allow natural light to flow into the house. And it was quite challenging to find the right suppliers, but we got there in the end, and we just thank the Almighty. Well,
Yes, it's quite exciting. Do you know what? Yeah. So when Kay kept talking about the atrium and the glass, in my head I was thinking, well, what kind of glass? Is it going to be one long glass? I just couldn't figure it out. So I was really, really looking forward to seeing what they were going to do. And when he said that the guys will be out today to fix the glass, I was so excited. So I wanted to come to site and see what it's all about. And yeah, there are bits and bits of the glass. You know, I'm gonna see how they're gonna fix everything. So it's not actually one long glass. Yeah. Guys, you can hear the music. The site is always exciting. Can you hear the Ghana music in the background? The African music. Here you go.
yeah, yeah. Sule's temporary bed.
Yeah. Yeah, we're friendly with the guys, so we just say hello to them.
Maybe some of the Ghana guys can recognize the music.
Happy people.
Exactly. So this is obviously the guest bedroom, using for storage at the moment. You always need a room for storage when you're constructing. You always need a caretaker on your site as well to watch over your materials. Very important. And Sule is our man for that, who also happens to be one of the builders. So absolutely works out perfectly. Right. So here we are, moving through the house once again. So the electricians are ongoing, more chiseling being done, pipes being laid. You saw in our last update the wires being pulled through, which is great. Somebody talked about the cables in Ghana are not very good quality, and that's only true in part, really. Nexon's cables from Cable Metal are very, very, very good cables. I will do a separate electrical video, but one thing I'll say, one tip right now is when you finish the stage 2 works, which is putting the pipes and putting the cables through, there are certain electrical tests that you need to do as a must. They're called insulation resistance and some other tests, which I'll cover. You need to do that before you screed, because once you screed and you put the tiling, then it's a different ball game. It's almost game over, because you got to chisel it all up again. So that's one thing to bear in mind, guys, when you get to that stage. Chris, this is your favorite part of the house.
Yeah, one of my favorite parts, actually. Yeah. Yeah, we're here again.
You're gonna have one of your rocking chairs on that balcony.
I will definitely do. So I could just rock away and enjoy the sunshine and the beautiful view.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I'm very happy about the balustrades. I thought Entry did a very good job. And he spray painted it. Obviously it's got dirty again because of all the dusty work. But when we're painting the house, the painter will do a final paint on all of them.
Yeah.
Whether you want to keep it black or whether you want a different color. Yeah, absolutely.
To make a good contrast.
Yes.
Yeah.
And somebody asked another question, so I'm going to answer it in this video. He said, "Why are the pipes on the ground and not on the top?" And to answer that question, there are pipes already at the top for the lighting. We put that in before we did the slab concrete. The pipes that are on the ground are for the sockets. They go up to the sockets. They go up to the dishwasher, the washing machine in the kitchen. They're on the ground and then they go up. And so this is you going up to the roof, right?
Yeah, that's me going up to the roof. My favorite place, actually.
Everyone's favorite place.
Yeah.
Guys, and stay tuned, because the flat roof door is getting there. It's getting there. So stay tuned. There's a video coming up, and you're gonna see the automated flat roof door, which was absolutely we were just buzzing when we saw that working.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely buzzing because it's been a long time coming.
Yeah.
Yes,
Beautiful.
look at that view. So here's the structural glass members we talked about. They're about 9 glass pieces, and you're just gonna slot everyone
Yes.
in place and hook it in nice and firmly. That's the flat door, which is still being constructed, but you'll see another video of that, guys, with it moving actually automatically, which, funny enough, you remind me of my time in university, because in my final year of university I did an automated robot project, and this is just like that, and it actually had a shelf that was coming in and out automated. So that I used that principle of design to actually do this, to come up with this concept design, and gave it to the professional team to actually come up with it.
That's interesting. So basically, you came up with the concept of this design.
Yeah, because this wasn't in the original plans. I modified the plans to come up with a flat roof and to come up to this level.
Oh, that's brilliant. Yeah. Xavier, well done. I wish I could help you. It's quite heavy, isn't it? Oh, I hope you had breakfast then. Yeah? You had breakfast before doing that?
No.
You didn't?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, you should have. Oh, bless you. We have a wonderful time outside, don't we?
Yeah,
With the guys, everyone is happy doing their job.
exactly. Everyone is happy. You know, big place. Everyone loves to go to the roof because when it's in the baking scorching heat of Accra, or Greater Accra, to say, we you like to go up there and get the breeze.
Yeah. It could be hot there, so when the sunshine is in full bloom. It's a full boom.
Full boom, exactly. Yeah, can be hot. Okay. Did I say Accra? Sorry, I'm in the eastern region. My God, get my areas mixed up. Yeah. So essentially, these are the guys, obviously with their tools up, about to bolt everything down to the glass frame, and I'm happy. Those guys were quite good. Here's me getting busy. I'm actually quite frustrated at this point in time because I was calling the electrician, and guys, the electrician messed up really bad. I'm going to do a separate video on that. I was really pissed off on this day because he messed up, but I'm going to cover that, guys. Working with the Ghanaian artisans is not easy. It's not easy at all. You know, it's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Let's put it that way. And sometimes you need to come to site, and sometimes you need to crack the whip. Unfortunately, it needs to be done. You know, you can't just. Chris, imagine if you didn't come. You didn't leave the UK, come to Ghana. Your kitchen would have messed up.
I know.
My the electrical stuff would have messed up.
Yeah.
What else? What else? Even the water system that I designed would have messed up.
Oh.
You know. So, I think, thank you, we came at the right time. We did a lot. We were able to do a lot from the UK because I designed the whole building, all the services, designed it all, gave it to my uncle, who then obviously he's already worked that builder before, so we were able to get quite far. But at some point, guys, if you're building and you're building overseas, at some point you need to be on the ground.
Yeah.
Absolute must.
Yeah. Oh, we've done quite a few things.
Yeah. Are you looking forward to the office come gym?
You think that there could be lions there?
Lions?
Yeah.
What in the forest or in the mountains?
Yeah, where I just zoomed.
Well, no, I think you find lion, tigers. They're more in the north, towards the north of Ghana, I imagine. But unfortunately, you will get some snakes in there. That's for sure.
Oh no, forget that. There'll be snakes there for sure.
We need to decide. Chris, have you decided the color scheme for your house? you decided the color scheme?
Yeah, but yeah, I have them. I don't want to talk about it now. We changed my mind, so
I see. Well, the colors have got to match the tiles. Yeah, the colors have got to match the tiles. The tiles have got to match the staircase. Oh, but guys, the finishing again, lots of money. The finishing stage is also a significant cost. The tiling, we're beginning to get quotes for the tiling, and boy, it's not easy. Not easy at all. So
we are at the finishing stage now.
yeah, we are.
Yeah.
So guys, you're seeing that big space there with the wood perimeter is going to be a roof office, half gym area. So we're actually looking for fabricated steel structures, and they do them with I think it's fabricated steel structures that they can build very quickly, and I think they've got them cement or plasterboard walls. And I've seen them online. I'm searching for them seriously if I can find some in Ghana. I found one supplier, but he doesn't look as competent. But if anybody knows, just drop a comment, and that'll be appreciated as well. What are the guys doing now? So that little piece there, there's a story behind that. That little piece there is about to be fixed into the frame because it's going to be used to support the chandelier that will hang from the frame all the way to the ground floor.
This one.
That little piece there, that bar there, yeah. They missed it initially.
They're gonna remove all those things and put it back on.
They're gonna remove part of it.
Part of that, what he's doing now.
Yeah, he needs to loosen it up a little bit.
Why did they have to make a mistake?
To be fair, yeah, well, miscommunication really, I should say, which happens a lot in Ghana. I told them, this is what I want, and it just didn't get done. Communication is an issue, and you gotta really make sure people have understood you. It's on paper, and this is actually, it applies to individuals and companies. There's still a bit of improvement to go in Ghana. Well, that's why we need to make Africa home again.
Yeah,
one family at a time. To help in that improvement process. So it just got missed. But the good thing is we were able to catch it just in time. And so here guys, you can see he's fixed it already. And if you can note, Crystal is a great camera woman. She zoomed in, and you can see an electrical cable just dangling down that middle piece. And what we had to do on the day, and I'm very glad we went to site, because if I didn't go to site again, it could have messed up. To remind them that they had to fish the electrical cable through. They had to drill the frame to have a hole, so the electrical cables go through the pipes and then down that center piece, so we can fix the chandelier there, and the electrical cables will fix to the chandelier. Chandelier will hang from there. You have your beautiful chandelier in your foyer of the ground floor, which would be absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Yes, but thank God, simply because the electrician wasn't there that day. So I'm really glad I was on site that day myself to just make sure. Right, so here we are, almost done. Slotting in nice and easy, and these sections are quite heavy. I don't know the actual kilos, but they are heavy. You can see the 3 guys on top, and there's actually 1 guy below that you can't see in the video because he's standing on the scaffold, and yeah, it's heavy. But they've not finished yet. You can see the edges are open. So obviously, all that needs to be sealed, because we can't have water coming in, mosquitoes coming in, and all sorts of debris, dust. So they need to close up all the sides, and that was all in the design drawings. Again, I was surprised they didn't bring all the materials with them on that day, but they're going to come again. I think it's next week to seal up all the sides. So I think in a few videos to come, the guys will see that all complete. Guys, well, that's it from Asher and Gad channel this episode. We hope you enjoyed what you've seen today on our site update, and basically, as usual, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'd always be notified when we upload and another educational video constructing your home in Ghana and Africa, and in anywhere in Africa for that matter. So from you, it's guys, remember Asher and Gag channel, make Africa home again, one family at a time. So for me, it's Yebeshia. See you next time.
See you soon in Africa.